Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Idoti. So in this video we are going to discuss about the SLET general paper of 2021. So the general paper is same for all the subjects, irrespective of science, arts, and any subject, science and humanities, any subject. So this is the general paper from 2021. So it's very important to go through the previous uh, question paper. It helps you a lot during your preparation to get an idea, and many times that things repeats also, even not exactly, but there used to be some similarities in the question. So let's start the video here. So the first question is, the ozone layer is outer atmosphere layer in outer atmosphere protects us from cosmic rays UVC, UVB, both B and C. So the correct answer will be both B and C. It protects us from both UVC and UVB. So you have to write this one. Second option is you have to match the list one with list two. Which person is related to which. Some revolutions are given here, movements are given here. So who is related to which event? So the correct answer will be that one will be related with 4, this 4, 2 will be with 5, and then 3 will be, oh no, 3 will be with 2. Oh, sorry, it should be 3 will be with 2 and 4 will be with 8. 4 will be with 8. So this is the correct answer. You should check you can check the movements and all in detail. Sometimes they may ask about the year also, so you can make a note and go through the other related questions also. That helps a lot. So the horizontal equivalent is the horizontal distance between two successive lines, which is called contours. Yeah, the horizontal equivalent is the horizontal distance between two successive lines. The distance between two successive lines they are asking, that is actually contours. So that is the correct answer, D. Consider the following conversation. Question number 4. So Ritam, I just heard that Julie had failed in her annual examination, and Niha, that cannot be true. Her class attendance is more than 90%. From the conversation, it can be inferred that Neha knows that Ritam is a liar. Ritam knows that Julie has actually failed in her annual examination. Neha assumes that whoever is regular in the class cannot fail in the examination. Neha assumes that in order to pass the examination, one has to be regular. So the correct answer according to the statement of Ritam and Neha, that is the most, I think, appropriate answer for this. So this is the most appropriate answer. Neha assumes that whoever is regular in class cannot fail in examination, because she is saying that, oh, she has 90% attendance, and also that is the thing. So the 5 number is the arithmetic mean of the integer was, yeah, so this maths problem we are not solving here, otherwise the video will be very long. So that is, the answer will be 10. You can solve the problem and you can see if it's like exactly 10 or not, because I didn't do the calculation. So later it was seen that the number 10 was wrongly taken to be 30. What will be the correct mean of the number? Yeah, next, the 6. So 84,000 is a publishing uh, concern which aims to translate all of Buddha's word. Yeah, that is the this is the correct answer. So now the 7 is theory of research. Which comes first, theory or research? It depends on one's point of view. Theory or research? Yeah, it depends on one's point of view. We cannot say it directly. So the question number 8 is, full form of MOOC is massive open online course. So the full forms are very important. You should note it down. So this is massive open online course. So now they have given a table. So this is the uh, interpretation problem from the mathematics part. So you have to calculate some, not a very lengthy calculation, but you can do it. So I'm not doing the calculation, but I have ticked in the right answers. If you want the detailed calculation, please comment us below. I will make a separate video for this mathematics problem explanation. I'm not explaining here, but you can comment it below if you want. So up to 13, that is the problem. Now, the 14 is for improvement of science education in school. The national policy on education does not have provision for facilities for free admission and tuition fees for SC, ST, rural girls with star marks in class 10 final examination. So which one, like they have given some provision name, so which one is not, does not, like government is not providing the facility, which one? So training for science and mathematics teacher, that is they are doing. Science kits to upper primary school, that is also they are doing. Library facilities in secondary and school, senior secondary school. So the one facility that is important, that they can do it. So the D is the correct answer. Which one of the following is a ISRO satellite which can also be used for defense purpose? So this reset, RISAT, is the correct answer for this problem or this question. DFD stands for data flow diagram. Yeah, almost five, I think three, four full form will be asked, like asked in that slate paper every year. So they used to ask. Now here, yeah, this DFD stands for data flow diagram. Consider the following statement followed by the assumptions number 1 and 2. So the statement is here, assumption 1 and 2 is here. If you have any problems, bring them to me. You have some problems, I can solve any problem. So choose the correct. Only assumption 1 is implicit in the statement, only assumption 2 is implicit in the statement. So the correct answer will be C. If you have any problem, bring it to me, I can solve any problem. So yeah, because he is saying that if you have any problem, bring it to me, so he can I can solve any problem. That is the assumption behind that statement. So the B will be the correct answer. Now the population of Guwahati was iman. So this is also a mathematical problem. You can calculate it and check. The correct answer is D. Maths 1 with 2, the Tribune, the name of newspapers are here, and the states which newspaper belongs to which state. So the correct answer will be, so it's very important actually, it's a repeating question. The Tribune is Assam, we know, and then the Shanghai Express is from Manipur. Oh yeah, it's from Manipur, because Shanghai, that is an animal state animal of Manipur. So yeah, it's very. Hindustan Times is from Karnataka. Hindustan Times is from Karnataka, and oh, sorry. Hindustan Times is not from Karnataka. It's from New Delhi, we know, and the Disen Herald or something, Herald. Yeah, that is from actually Karnataka. So this is the correct answer. A number of things that can go wrong in research, hence there is a need for flexibility and perseverance. Yeah, this is the correct. Wisdom to know the right, not this is appropriate. A systematic supervisor and emergency source of finance. So the most appropriate answer is this, flexibility and preservation we need. Swayam is designed to achieve the three cardinal principle of education policy. So these are which like it which three cardinal principle they like it is designed. So the Swayam is designed to achieve the access, equity, and quality. So this is the main motto behind Swayam, so that it is easy accessible for everyone equally and quality content. So that is the thing Swayam is doing. It's very helpful for students. That's 1 and 2 again. So there is some list of name of universities of Northeast, and here is the established date. So Dibrugarh University is, so Sikkim University. This will be, I think, to, oh yeah, 2006, because it's not very late. And then Manipur University is 1980, and Tripura University is 1987, and Dibrugarh University is 1965. So this is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. You can match this properly. Match again 1 and 2. So which is related to which festival? This one. The correct answer is C. So the Veld is related to grassland. So which festival is related to which thing? They are asking. So the Banjara is related to tribe. This Veld is grassland, and then yeah, it's just some they have given in both sides, so which has similarity with which one they are asking. I think it's not festival also. So now the next question is, a digital database of academic work provided by the government of India is National Academic Depository. So this is also important. Next, again they have some calculative problem, I guess, or some, yeah, that puzzle type of thing. So I'm not in discussing now, otherwise the video will be very long. So if the price of petrol first increase by 10% and then decrease by 10%, what is the net in the price of petrol? There will be no sense actually. So I feel like there will be no sense, because it's increase and it's decrease, so it's equal. So the next question is a style of journalism that emphasizes sensational crime stories, gossip, columns about celebrities, and so on. So that is known as the tabloid journalism. Yeah, you should read this properly, so that if they ask you further question, you can check it. So thank you for watching this video till end. Again, we have more questions here, up to 50, so we will discuss it later. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please comment below, share to your friends, and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.